Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you a bizarre fruit. We call this atotngao. This is the leaves or a tree of atotngao. This is a fruit that we eat here in Leyte. Okay, so let's have a taste. Okay, let's take a look. This is the fruit and let's eat. Mm, it tastes like guava. Mm, it's it has a rough texture, but it tastes like guava. It's really sweet and really delicious. Mm, really good. Really tastes like guava, guys.